Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Aya. I miss you so much, guys. We finally made the big move from Connecticut to New Mexico, and it was quite an adventure. We are settled now, and the state is so beautiful. It's hot and windy. It's reminding me of Egypt's weather, which is fine, but I'm really going to miss winter. Winter is my favorite season, and winter in Connecticut is just so beautiful. Anyway, today I would like to share with you some new products released last month by Tonic. So let's get started. First, we have Tonic Craft Kit number 80, and it's called Just the Way You Are. I will show you photos of the entire box because the other products that comes in the box are just mixed up with my stuff. So to be honest, I don't remember what are exactly the products, but I'm going to show you a photo from their website. Also, I'm going to share with you a short tutorial for each product in a minute, so stay tuned. So this die create a stunning treat box, and you can embellish it with, fruity elements or fruit die cuts. It also has a standalone fruit dies and also a fruit stamp. Okay, the second product, which is new to Tonic, which is Foil Fusion Bouquet Adhesive Sheets. These are a quickly way, to add decorative, elegant foil to all your craft projects without needing a hot plate or die cutting machine. And the fun thing is that you can use it without a foil, and I will show you what I use instead of foil. Okay, then next we have the foliage and simple sentiment die set. This can be used with the bouquet foil fusion adhesive sheet or as a standalone dies. Next we have the 3D embossing folders. We have this one called Bed of Blossom 3D embossing folder, and another beautiful one, I don't have it, called Botanical Beauty 3D folder, but I'm going to insert a photo for this imposing folder. Next, we have selection of sentiment stamp set. This is a very, generic sentiment. All the links for all the products will be in the description box below if you are interested. Now, let's move to the tutorials.